Hey guys, let me show you one beautiful app I have taught my students in my low budget photography class, and I teach them on how to edit a picture very amazingly. There are some old pictures you have in your phone and you want to turn them to new. Let's look at this app. Go to Play Store and type Remini. This app is amazing. Can you see before and after of this? It's going to create an AI. It's an AI avatar, and it's going to improve and restore quality of blurry, old and damaged picture. Let's install. After we are done installing, we are going to see the beautiful, awesome performance of this application. Watch out for it. So it's done downloading. So let's click on open and see what we can do with Remini application. So as it is loading, I want you to please subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification bell so that you can get more videos directly from me. So let's get started. By getting started, we are going to see what we can do with this application. You can see the pictures that are there. They are showing that that's an old picture and this is a new picture. So if you move the slider like this, you are going to see that the picture is clean and better. This is a blurry picture that is turned to a clean one. Blurry portrait, you click on next. Old one, you click on next. Facial details, you can make the picture bolder, draw it closer to you and slide it so that you can see the better version of it. So those are the three things it does: old pictures, blurry pictures, and do facial details for you. So if you are not ready to do the pro, you can click on cancel and it can go on with it. So let's give access to photos. So let's open gallery and see what we have. I'm going to pick one of my old images or blurry images and see what I can get from here. Okay, so this is a blur picture that I have. So I've clicked on it. It's going to enhance. If I want multiple results, I go to Pro. But let's click on enhance so that that's the only thing we want to do with this. So there are more other features in Remini app that you can get from it. So but you have to pay for the pro version so that you can get more from the application. So it is analyzing the picture for us. Let us wait a little bit. It said the enhancement may take a few seconds. Please don't quit the application. Now we have it. See this picture of mine. This is what I brought here, and this is what we have. Amazing! Don't you like it? Don't you like it? See what we have. Oh my God! See what we have. This is the picture before, and this is what we have. Just slide it. It is going to make it beautiful for you. Before and after. So what you just need to do is you click on download up here and you save, but you have to watch withdrawals and deposits offline, bank statement and account history. You just a phone number and valid identity information, and then apply for a loan of up to 500,000 naira on this app. So after you have watched the ad, you have to watch one ad, and I think you can edit up to like 3 or 4 pictures per day, unless you want to subscribe to the premium. So you click on reward granted, so you can cancel it and you will have your picture in your phone. And that is what I want to show you about Remini app. Try it and come to the comment section and make a comment about it. If you love it, let me know. If you want to make more videos like this for you, let me know in the comment section. Thank you very much.